Hey, Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Hey, buddy. You want to roll over on your tummy? Yeah. Yeah.
Mom, start using SpongeBob in the morning because the
Good
tummy
job.
is all out.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll start using SpongeBob in the morning. That sounds good. Roll. Roll.
I can walk
Kick, kick,
on
kick,
the
kick, kick.
way.
You are. Roll over onto your tummy.
I can walk on
You're okay.
you. I can walk on you. It's like I can walk on Daddy.
Push up. Good job.
Look, Mom.
Look at Charlie.
Yes, I
Oh,
can
goodness.
see.
Hey, buddy. Hi.
Hi.
You are so strong. Look at you.
Hi, baby.
You're doing a good job. Good job.